If you are not profitable, then this video is for you. I will reveal a secret elite pocket option strategy which gives me a high win rate. Also, I will show you the pros and cons of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are a beginner trader or experienced trader. For the platform settings, I will be using 1 minute Japanese candle, okay, and I will be using flag mode. So I will switch this from standard to flag mode. Make sure it's on 1 minute. Make sure this is 00 on the side here, and yeah, it's safe. This will be my first trade for the day, guys. The thing I like about supply and demand, it's so simple. It's simple once you master it. Let me say that. Right, guys, in this video I really want to just go a little bit about my history in trading, right? Because many people see me winning trades and think it's, oh, I just get the knowledge overnight. I have to practice all of these stuff for years, okay? As I was saying previously, guys, I was trying to let you know that for me to reach at this level in trading, I bought many courses. I bought over 8 different courses, okay, because I was once doing forex also and stuff like that. So whenever you see me trading and I'm winning consistently, guys, I put the work in, I put the effort in. Okay, all these videos on my YouTube channel, they are here to help people to become profitable or at least understand the market to certain degrees. If you want deeper knowledge, it's in the mentorship. That's the whole point of the mentorship. Okay? Yeah, this is a nice opportunity here, guys. As I was saying previously before, once you have practiced all these information and you execute them properly, nothing can stop you. Okay? Trading is all about practicing and studying the right information. Always remember that. Oh my god, guys, I took a bad trade. Anyway, the reason why I take this trade, I see it close right here in the demand supply area. I don't know, this trade made me speechless, guys. My entry is not good and this trade is not really good, guys. As I took the trade, I realized something was right here. It's okay though. It's okay. Sometimes, damn, I didn't expect to lose this trade, but it's cool. Let's find another opportunity. Nice. Nice sniper right there, guys. Let me see something. Yes, we are with the trend confirmed. Because I see the range in market. You see the sideways market, guys? See that? That's beautiful. So this is what I'm saying, guys. The previous trade I lost, I didn't realize that the supply was a weak one. I wasn't paying attention very well, you know, and that's what happens sometimes. And if you pay attention here, I don't switch my strategy. See what I'm saying? Sometimes you can make mistakes as a human being, alright? It's normal. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna keep taking trade here so I can explain something else. You see this rejection, and then we have this nice inside bar candle right there. And yeah, but we see that we have a inside gap also, so I was just using the inside gap as a confirmation also to take the trade. You see how sweet and nice that is going down right there? Beautiful. And this is what I'm saying, guys. Whenever you are very experienced in the market or you have the insider knowledge and stuff, you become very versatile, very quick, very, you know, flexible. That's a very key thing, you know. And all of this only comes from practicing the right information and practicing all the information you have learned, right? Whether it's on this channel or another channel or wherever you learn, always practice before risking your real capital, right? think I'm gonna keep taking trade here also, because I could see this 3 bar down plus this gap down, breakaway gap. I could see it's a clear breakaway gap. We're in the direction of the trend. We're coming from a supply area, so I'm very confident in this trade. And you see this, guys, I have lost one trade, and now I have won 3 trade back to back in front of your eyes. This is no luck. So when somebody look and say, oh, how is he winning so frequently? I'm winning so frequently because I'm experienced. What do you expect? That's what I'm saying. Another thing, the reason why I could get to this level is because I practice, I learn, I bought many courses, guys, and what I have done is that I put every knowledge together and I create all of these strategies. Okay, I put all the information together, I create these strategies. I've been using them for years now and I've been profitable, and I decided to show people on the internet how to do it, and that's the reason why I created this channel. But a lot of persons was texting me that they need deeper information, and that's the reason why I created the mentorship. This trading session, all my trading sessions on YouTube, they are my personal trading session. Now, what I have done is I have created a mentorship which teach you behind the scenes of the market. It teaches you how to trade like an institution, like a seasonal trader, right? And with all of these knowledge inside of the mentorship, you can get it for a very cheap price, right? Because you have to respect my time. That's what I'm saying. And when you're in the mentorship, there'll be a money management also. So that means while you're practicing and learning, you have a money management which can help you to keep your accuracy steady. Trading requires knowledge, especially OTC, especially. And once you have the knowledge and you practice, nothing can stop you. Okay, so this will be the end of my video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.